Welcome to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. Today we will talk about Skoltech scholarship in Russia for international students in year 2020. This is fully funded scholarship and the total procedure is online. No need to send the hard copies of any document. Just visit the website and apply online. It is fully funded scholarship and it is available in the number of courses and programs. So we start its discussion today. So applications are invited to apply for the scholarship in Russia for international student 2020 to 2021. Skoltech is a private university in Russia and it's in partnership with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT), which is a very high class university in America. The Skoltech scholarship Russia is offering for master degree programs as well as PhD uh, scholarships for international students. For this scholarship, the applicants from around the world can apply, and these are master and PhD degree programs. So IELTS and TOEFL it's not mandatory. So if you can apply without IELTS and TOEFL. So this is good. Most students can apply. Uh, so it Skoltech scholarship. It is available in Russia, and the university name is Skoltech University, Russia, and the degree levels are master degree programs and PhD degree programs. It is fully funded scholarships. For master degree, the deadline is last date of application is 16 July, and for PhD, last date of application is 2nd of August 2020, and the mode of application is apply online, and there is no application fee involved in this scholarship. So duration for master degree is 2 years, for PhD degree 4 years. Just like most universities in China, they are offering 4 year PhD program. So this university is also offering 4 year PhD program. So the scholarship can be obtained in the following MS programs: data science, computational science and engineering, energy systems, petroleum engineering, biotechnology, photonics and quantum materials, mathematical and theoretical physics, material science, space and engineering system, advanced and digital engineering technologies. For PhD programs, this scholarship is available in mathematics and mechanics, physics, material science and engineering, life sciences, computational and data science and engineering, engineering system, and petroleum engineering. It is fully funded program. So now we talk about what this scholarship covers. It is fully funded scholarship, and this includes the following benefits: financial covers. There is no tuition fee, so whole tuition fee is covered for master programs and PhD programs. And then the monthly stipend is 40,000 Russian rubles per month. It's a good amount. Free medical insurance, variety of academic mobility programs which you can participate, and they are fully paid, and no application fees. Eligibility criteria. So what is eligibility criteria for this scholarship? TOEFL and IELTS is not mandatory, so applicant can apply without TOEFL and IELTS. For master program, one should have bachelor degrees or specialist degree or its equivalent from an accredited university. For doctoral, student must have a master degree holder or its equivalent from an accredited university. So last date of application is for this international scholarship is 16th of July for master's degree and 2nd of August for PhD degrees. So students can apply by clicking the link below and go to the online link and make the application, and you can start the procedure. The second scholarship which we want to talk about today is Thailand government scholarship. This scholarship is for master degree programs. It is not for PhD. So master degree students can apply for this scholarship. It is also fully funded. So this program is also known as TIPP, Thailand International Postgraduate Program, scholarship for international students in multiple fields, full-time degrees, master degree programs only. So this program is available for different University of Thailand. There are total 24 Thailand universities which are participating in this program. So there are fixed number of scholarship for under this program. So what we talk about the details of this scholarship. So the country where it is available is Thailand. It is by government, which is Ministry of Foreign Affairs Thailand. So the program is for master degree program, fully funded program, and the last date of application is 30th of June. The mode of application is online. So the duration of the scholarship is 2 years. So it can vary. It depends on your master degree course length. It can be sometime 15 months. It can be 1 year program, but maximum it is of 2 year. For the length of scholarship is 2 years. So available fields are, there are some limited number of fields in which this program is available. So sufficiency, economy, philosophy, climate change, food security, public health, other topics related to this program. So what is the financial cover which is given in it? So this scholarship covers the following things. These things, it offers the return air ticket, economy class. So return air ticket is provided by this scholarship. So domestic travel is also paid in this scholarship. Living allowance is 7,000 per month. Accommodation allowance is also provided in regional province. For regional province is 7,000 per month, and for the good cities of Bangkok and Phuket, this is 9,000. So settlement allowance is also provided once you will arrive in Thailand. 6,000 baht will be provided. Books allowance is 10,000 baht per year, and thesis allowance is 20,000 baht for compulsory field work or data collection, and a lump sum amount of 12,000 baht for the thesis printing, or 8,000 baht for independent study printing. So there are a number of benefits, financial benefits, which are given in this scholarship. There is no tuition fee. If someone has got this scholarship, the tuition fee is waived off, and except some, if there is some special equipment is needed, that in that case there is exception. And there is medical coverage as well. So what are the restrictions of this scholarship? What are required to study full time? So if once someone is selected, he will have to study full time, and he she cannot change the study plan or research plan topic. Any part-time employment is not allowed. Awardees are not allowed to bring any family members to stay with them during the study. So this is also restriction. Family restriction is there. So eligibility criteria: the candidate must be international student. Candidate must be nominated by the National Focal Point for International Development Corporation in a country from the TIPP eligible countries. So the countries is list you can find here. Candidates must have bachelor degree. They must have completed bachelor degree. So candidate must be good in English language. Good, he or she has a good command in English. Age limit is 50 years. So he or she must be less than 50 years. What are the required documents to apply this program? So first you need to download the application form, scholarship application form. Medical certificate is needed, and transcript of bachelor degree, certificate of bachelor degree, English language test score if available, and otherwise you can apply on the proficiency certificate, English proficiency certificate. So 3 recommendation letters are mandatory, and the research proposals are also should also be provided. So the scholarship last date of scholarship application is 30th of June. And what is the mode of application? So application mode is online, and first you need to download the application form, fill the application form, and then you can apply online by clicking on this website, on this link. So this is our video for today's scholarship, for today's 2 scholarships we explained. We hope all the best luck for your future and for your good career. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel. If you like the video, please share and like this. You can in comment section you can put like. Thank you very much.